Stop engine. Pro, pwede nyo na i-walk out, Pro, Okay.
Nadaanan pala natin yung barko ng Morita na kaangkorahe. At nandito na tayo sa binigay na anchorage position ng BTMS Manila.
Midship rudder dong. Pro, standby tao, open brake, atras tayo.
Sir, standby atras.
Dead slow astern. Yan, pwede natin na-yari yan, nag-atras na. Pro, let go, starboard anchor.
Let's go, starboard anchor.
Yan, area na natin.
Starboard anchor, open brake.
Okay. Okay, copy. Stop engine, please. Midship rudder, finish with it.